Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time in this session, I think, because I'm not really motivated for work right now. But maybe we can continue with the reviews, which we have been doing in the last two sessions as well. And yeah, let's see if things can be wrapped up or if more comments need to be put. Let's see. Let's see. Certain strings are certainly executable. It's on 0. Check string and file open. RB string encode ASCII. Oof. Well, so one thing. Well, one potential problem here is capitalization. Either do a case insensitive search or get the one potential problem here is capitalization of string. Either do a case insensitive search or get the search string in the correct capitalization. Because I think that the help box middle, I think it's misspelled. Let me double check, because yeah. What the hell? What is this searching you for? Here, there we go. See, so this one starts with the capital H and not with the lowercase h. All right, so the mapped image is help box middle and not this one here. Image name is helpbox middle and not helpbox middle. This is why this is one of the reasons why we should always deal with original. I don't need to mention this. I think he will get it. Okay, so you only added this comment. So we are done with this review, I guess. Yeah. Good. Then that is done. Then let's get back to this one here. Let's see. Okay, then let's see. That's good. Okay. Okay, let's grab this change and test it and see what works. I have a base distrust of every change because typically things don't work, right? Yeah, typically things don't work. That's my experience. It's very rare that I look at a change and it works right out of the box. It's very rare. It can happen, but it is rare because people make mistakes all the time. There's an inherent distrust in the capabilities of what people can do, right? That's why you can actually trust no one to build something that doesn't have errors. This is true in software, but it's also true in everything else, right? Like if you order a company to build a house for you, then you can count on the fact that they will make mistakes when building your house, and probably serious mistakes, which will lead to financial ruin, right? So you can really trust no one to do it right. No one. Everyone will build something and they will make massive mistakes. If you're lucky, they will make very small mistakes if they're an expert in their field. But what are the chances that you meet a person that is an expert in what they do? The chance is so small, because most people, the things they do is just average. And so they will make mistakes all the time. Yeah. Trust no one. Trust no one. Good. So let's see. Dockable background. Yeah, let's compile this. Okay, we have a compile error, actually. What is a compile error? Huh, now it succeeded. Okay. No compile error. Okay, let's see how that looks then. Jesus Christ. Why is it so slow? Okay, and there we go. Okay, so the first thing I see is that we can see other windows through this window. Was this a case before already? I can't recall. Okay, let's see if the docking works. Yeah. Let's see. I can put this here. I can put the file manager here. Yeah, okay, that's cool. I can even move this. That's nice. That's very nice. Uh-huh. So if we make this smaller, and we move this here, okay, we cannot move it out. That's good. Okay, cool. Okay, that was extra slow. Let's close it. Okay, then I think the only thing we need to do is revert those changes in the util.header. Other than that, I think this looks good. It's all good. Yeah. Maybe this one here. Okay. That looks good. Towards. I'm kind of amazed how fast the comparison actually is now. All the time we developed, things were so slow. now is so fast. It's kind of remarkable. Okay, cool. I like the docking, but hold on. Let's see if we can break it in any way. If there are any bugs. Let's see. Let's close this. Close that. Okay. So we can move this out to its new assembler. Can also dock it in here for some reason. We could also dock it here. We could also create another assembler comparison and dock it here as well. Have another one here. Then we could take this. Yeah, we could just put it here as well. We can move it here to the side. Could make this. So we can organize everything in tabs if we like to. Yeah, it's good. Okay, let's close that. Then hold on, we also need to double check the menu of the file manager here. Add file, okay. Remove all files, okay. Then we can press load all. View. Okay, cool. Okay, then I would just open util.h. And we save once. Revert formatting changes. Okay. Okay, so now we got this, yep, and that, yep, and that's, and that's. By the way, what about? Oh no, that's fine. Okay. Good. Then I think everything has been fixed. Then I will put a proof. Submit review. And enable window docking on background. All right. I think this one here, we can also delete the branch. Good. Then yeah, let's go to the next thing. How about we look at the next language review? I think we looked at German localization fixes, and I think he did some. Let's see. Right, so we need to check if he addressed the things that we already commented 3 weeks ago. Let's see. So he did change violet. Let's see. Okay, it looks like he reverted his violet change. Okay. Resolve. Okay. Maybe we should open this here. Give you a raw. And then we search for this. Oof. Somehow this page is not showing. There we go. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Huh. That's why we have to double check this stuff. Now it says Landwehle. This was not. This is still not correct. It is still not correct. That's good. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, there's quite a bit of monkey work here to check this. I don't know why he touched so many German translations. I think he uses like a tool that tells him if some language has some error, but that tool doesn't seem to be correct. And so my worry is that once we get to more languages like Spanish, Italian, Chinese, Korean, that maybe more things were touched. And I don't know these things. I don't know all these languages. So how can I know that all these supposed auto correction fixes are correct? Like they may not. I can verify English and German, but that's about it. If the auto corrections make mistakes on the other languages, how would I know? Like, this is very risky to like to just touch us without like really making sure that these are healthy fixes. So I don't know. But to be fair, I have also made a lot of changes to languages. Without understanding it. Okay, so this is still wrong here. This is still not correct. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It says several times in this file, but I only find it once. So I wonder if he didn't fix all occurrences, but just one. That could be. So we have to review all the lines again. Oh boy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. All right. Mm-hmm. 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 Blackbot. It's not called Black Lotus in German. It's called Blackbot. Blackbot. Because all the infantry are bots in the German version. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this one here. I think he just reverted it to High Tower Fortress. The proposal was to keep the wording consistent across these three tooltips because they are similar. prefer no line break after alias comments. All the others, or the other aliases are like that. Okay. Not wording style is not consistent. Can, for example, write Can you highlight all other cases? Why? If you click here on files changed, you can see the diff. Or just search. Just search for Wähler. Like that. Like here. See? Wähler. Wrong. Wrong. You can search for Wähler. Well, do I really need to highlight all? Man. Okay, so let's see if this one is fixed. Okay, so this is resolved. Then looks like we need to do it ourselves and find everything. I don't understand why he's not looking here into this diff. There he should be able to see it. Okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. 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 Why do I have to comment all this? Just look at the diff here. Wrong. Wrong. My gosh. This is wrong. Everything is wrong. I don't understand. Why is this so bad? This is okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Oh, I really need to comment everything. My gosh. He just needs to look into the diff and then he sees what is wrong. I don't understand. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Oh man. What's happening? This is wrong several times. This is wrong. 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 My gosh. Everything is wrong. This is wrong. This as well. I don't understand. There shouldn't be so many mistakes here. I think he uses like replace all feature, like text search and then replace all. But yeah, I think this is very risky. You need to review every line you touch and see like what you actually replace if you replace all. This is very risky. I would never do that. You need to look at every change you make to make sure that it's proper. This one is also wrong. This one is okay. This is wrong. Oof, what about this one here? You changed this string, changed this name, but there are other strings that still say this. Well, two other strings. Still two other strings that say that. Okay. So this is wrong. And this one, this is okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. My gosh. Why is this changed to comma? Why is this changed to comma? Same here. Why is this removed? Why is this removed? Okay, there's a lot of stuff wrong here in this review. I think there needs to be more care when creating changes. This is oof. It's not good. It's not good. There's a lot of errors here. Okay. How about we look at French as well? French, I'm scared. Oh my god, 888. Oh my gosh. Oh. I don't believe that this will all be correct then. Impossible. Why is this changed here? Let's view this file. So this line here. Okay, I don't know why this is here highlighted as a change. Huh. So for some reason it touches a lot of what the hell? Why is that? Why is this marked as changed? What's the difference here? If we take this and we copy it and we put it into a new file, what's the difference? Well, what is the difference here? I don't see the difference. It looks exactly the same. Why is this space here marked as a difference? Okay, how about, can we ignore white space somehow? Oh, Jesus Christ. What's happening now? Hide white space. I don't understand what's going on with the diff here. How about we look at the branch itself? FR. Oh man, the branch names are also bad. Oh boy. Okay, so yeah, for some reason the space shows as a diff, but why? What has changed on the spaces? I don't understand. What is different here? What is different? Why is it so laggy? What is different here? I don't understand. Was this maybe like a space that is not a space? Like, get symbol code. Get symbol code. Input. Okay. Now we paste we take this code here, this space, and we paste it here. 160. Huh. 160. And this one? $32. Huh. Okay, so 32 is a proper regular white space. What is 160 then? Let me see. Space, 160 space. Well, white space, code 160. Non-breaking space. Okay, I see. So if this is a space, a non-breaking space is a non-breaking space. Aha. Okay, let me... Okay, I see. I understand now. So that means... I understand now. Good. So, oh boy. Of course, Chrome is dying because it has to render a bunch of lines. Chromium is also terrible software, as you can see. It just lags. Slow. And GitHub, slow as well. Yeah, these people can't write codes, fast codes. It's remarkable. Okay, so the problem is you have changed all white space of code 160 to space of code 32. This is wrong. The white space 160 intends to not break line. See this. Please keep white space 160. as is. Several hundred times in this file. Yeah, basically, I think he needs to redo this change. Yeah, and I won't review it now because it's just hundreds of these white space changes, so it makes no sense to change to review this. This needs to be sorted. It shouldn't change this white space. I think the intent here is that the space between the word and the colon does not incur a line break. Otherwise, it could incur a line break, right? So you would have like message and the next line, the colon. But you want this to be one word without a line break ever. If you put the regular space in there, then the game could eventually format in a way that the colon is on the next line. And we don't want that. It's supposed to be like in one line. And this should be preserved. And it makes sense. So, yeah, that means he needs to revert all these spaces. Yeah. Same, yeah, with the question marks, the colons. I guess here it could make sense to have a space, yeah. Maybe. But yeah, with the colons and the question marks and so on, it absolutely makes sense to not have line breaks there, yeah. Percent as well. Okay. So that review is done as well. Actually, hold on. I need to submit it. Okay. Then how about we look at the Spanish one as well? 179 lines. Oof. How about we do that next session? We have been now 1 hour 16. Yeah, I didn't really want to work today. Yeah, let's continue next session. Yeah. There's a lot to do here. It's I'm very wary about those text changes. It's bad enough that I don't understand what has been changed in Ukrainian and Russian. So I have to trust that those are good changes for the most part. Yeah, there's a lot of errors in English, a lot of errors in German and in French, and this makes me nervous. The amount of errors. I mean, look at this. I have 230 comments here, 150 here. It's too much. It's too much. It's really bad state. Oof. Oh boy. Okay, but I mean, things can always be fixed, right? So we just need to be diligent and yeah, keep reviewing and keep fixing before submitting it, right? Yeah. Okay. So I will make sure to keep reviewing this until it's in a good state, because certainly we don't want to make the translations or anything else worse than original, right? There should only be improvements to the status quo, not degradations. It should never become worse. That must be the credo here. Only become better. Yeah. And for this we need to work diligently. Yeah. Okay. Then yeah, let's continue next session with the Spanish. Yeah, Korean, Chinese, that will be, let's see how much is in there. Okay, that's just little. Maybe we can do this real quick here. Oof, how does he know this? Okay, here you put a space. That's fair. Terrorist. Oof. How do you know this? How do you know this? Okay, what about Chinese? 24. This does not need documentation. It is just a test string. Why is the dot removed here? What? Chinese does end on dots. Typically, no? Why is the dot removed? Okay. Comments. Okay, I think that's enough. Good. Yeah. I don't know if he has made any further fixes to English. Not yet. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, basically all the language reviews so far, they still need work. Still left a lot of work left to do. But that's fine, right? There's always, like, you make a change and then you need to keep iterating until it's polished. Sometimes it takes longer, sometimes less time. Okay, but it's good effort. I mean, improving things is always good. Just the improvements in the end, of course, need to be very polished. Yeah. Good. Then I think that will be it for now. I hope you enjoyed. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.